I'm really grateful to God and for this kind of opportunity kasi nagagawa ko pa rin kung ano yung gusto ko sa college.
I am Cassie Senario, currently serving as your officer in charge college president for this term. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you and welcome you to the Gohomay College of Engineering.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Ayan, anyway, mag-intro lang ako ng vlog. So, today is Frosh convocation namin. Ako'y Frosh. Kasi, guys, I'm currently the OIC College President ng GCO, ng ECG. So, grabe, no? From no last year this time, Pub Pro executive ako. Nag-edit ako ng videos ng Pub Pro ng 78 Eng. Tapos, noong January, naging Pub Pro director ako. Tapos, noong February, saka na ako naging chief of staff. And ngayon, OIC na ako. So, grabe yung jump. And, wala lang. Parang, love ko yung work. Love ko yung pagsuserve. And, sobrang nakaka-amaze lang na last year, which is yung Frosh year ko, it's very different from last year and this year. So, last year, grabe yung anxiety ko and such. Pero this year, iba yung nararamdaman ko. Fulfilled ako. Very close to heart yung everything. And then later, nagbibigay ako ng speech. Parang introduction of ECG. And kung ano man yung sasabihin ko doon, it's very personal to me. Kasi yung vision na yon, actually guys, tumakbo din ako as college president. Kaya medyo nawala ako. Parang hindi naman ako hinanap. Pero, nawala ako for ilang months. Kasi sobrang na-busy ako, na-caught up ako. Pero, ayun, hindi ako pinalad na maging college president. But still, sabi ko sa sarili ko na manalo or matalo, diretso pa rin ako sa pag-serve. Alam niyo yun, parang iba yung fulfillment kasi talaga kapag alam mo ito yung calling mo na binigay ni Lord sa'yo. Actually, guys, grabe din yung pagpe-pray ko ng mga panahon na yun. Kasi mahirap siya sa tough season. But still, hindi ko siya pinagsisisihan. Kasi, parang kung ano yung ano ako ngayon. Feeling ko, kailangan siyang mangyari. Kailangan siyang maging stepping stone para marating ko to kung nasa man ako ngayon. And, syempre, hindi lang naman ako to. Lahat ng part ng ECG before 78 lahat sila yung nag-hone sa akin. Tapos yung speech na yon is very close to heart ko talaga. Kasi kanina umaga ko lang ginawa, kaya medyo malilate ako sa school. Pero, close to heart siya kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko. And I'm really grateful to God and for this kind of opportunity kasi nagagawa ko pa rin kung ano yung gusto ko sa college. And sabi ko nga na kahit minsan may mga pagkakataon na isipin ko para saan ba to? Para saan ko pa ginagawa to? Babalik pa rin ako sa to na gusto ko makapagbigay ako ng influence or sense of na makapaglabas sila sa comfort zone nila, na ma-unleash nila yung potential nila. Kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto kong mangyari. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa akin. And I know na kaya rin ng ibang tao. So, ayun lang. I hope makapag-vlog ako at hindi lang ito yung content ng vlog na to. But, yeah.
about sila dito eh.
Okay.
Backstage.
Later, Corporate College of Engineering, we will highlight Nicole Auditorium. Don't you agree with me, Nicole?
I totally agree, Stephen. First,
Brian De La Rosa and Miss Andrea Cedrino. Next. And then,
Dalawang speaker na lang ako. Nakaban.
Education, growth, and learning. I truly hope to see each of you.
Is our very own OIC College President, Miss Cassie Senario. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. I am Cassie Senario, currently serving as your officer in charge college president for this year. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you and welcome you to the Gokongwei College of Engineering. So now, we are now moving to what ECG will do this term. And before I end, I just want to leave you with this. Engineering, hindi talaga siya madali. And it's not supposed to be. But it's through the challenges that you find some of your proudest moments and even the strongest friendship. So ECG is here to make sure you never walk alone. We're here to support you, to guide you, and to celebrate milestones, no matter how small it is. So welcome again to DLSU and to the Gokongwei College of Engineering. Let's strengthen engineering opportunities together. Thank you everyone and have a great day.
Thank you so much, Miss Cassie, for
Please,
Yes, vlog. I love you.
So first, please,
Hi guys. Nag-volunteer talaga kami. Last time, yung food namin, naalala ko, pansit.
Pansit.
Ay, pagano.
I think may kanin siya eh. Parang
Sorry. Budget na po.
pansit.
Parang mali.
Ay, oh. Sa greening pala yun.
college president.
Guys, tapos na. Haharap.
Tapos na yung introduction mo.
I'm really grateful for this opportunity. Ulit. Hi!
Hi, congrats!
Ayaw mo mag-ano? Nakita ko kayo ni Red. Katayo kayo dalawa. Dapat kasi, ang damit ko, violet top, tsaka pants. Kasi color ng ECG violet. Ayun. Isa ko yung TCP. o ICCP. Hi, Gab!
Alam, boss pa lang eh.
Success! Thank you! Sila nag-compile ng PPT.
Really?
Sabi nga niya sa akin,
Aww.
ginawa niya daw habang naglalaro siya.
Oo. Thank you, Gab. Hello ko sa vlog. Te, alam mo ba?
Uy, seryoso na yun. Access na yun.
Access na.
Yung nag-meeting mga, ayun, nag-introduce
Guys, sobrang tech girly na ni Iris. Yun! Congrats, Andre!
Hindi ka mabilib sa akin, CB.
Congrats, Andre!
Animo! Okay, so CPE naman, CPE naman.
Grabe talagang energy naman ng ECE, no?
Grabe yung
Ang video niya.
Wow! I love you, Angelica. May ano, sa may pintuan kasi kami. Tapos, may frost show. Sabi niya, hi, Ate Kasi. So, I go, oh, hello. Guys, I'm walking around the streets of Makati. Kasi, tagal ko na gusto na Samgyup. Tapos yun. Tapos, sabi ng tatay ko, proud daw siya sa akin. So, like, sabi ko, gusto ko lang sa akin. Samgyup kami. Kaya iba na yung damit ko. Sinasira yung pants ko. And prior to that, nagko-contemplate ako kung gusto ko ba mag-dress.
So we're hoping, na-ask ko through, na-ask ko
Hello! Saan tayo? Kasi say hi to my vlog.
Hi po.
Ron, say hi to my vlog. Pupost natin to sa Access. So guys, we are here today sa, where are we?
The Verdure.
The Verdure. Sa event.
Wow.
Hindi ba kita? Sa lead. What's the purpose of lead?
Join Access. Oo nga.
Oo nga. We're just,
Labo na. Sarap guys. Yung banana bread.
generosity, and patience as a student leader. Amen. Congratulations, everyone.
History. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy then.
My last message is Cassie for engineering president.
Hoy!
Nagulat ako eh.